Good morning, students. Myself is K. Pradeep Kumar, working as Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department in MVR College of Engineering and Technology. See, today in this lecture, we are going to know about the derivation of height of the chimney. See, coming to here, height of chimney. See, we are going to assume that let h is equal to capital H is equal to height of chimney above the fire grate in meters. We already have studied different types of boilers in previous classes. In previous classes, we have studied about the fire grate, about the grate, that H is nothing but of height of chimney above the fire grate in meters. And small h is nothing but of draft required in terms of mm of water. And T1 is nothing but of absolute temperature of air outside the chimney in Kelvin. T2 is nothing but of absolute temperature of the flue gas inside the chimney. See here, draft which we are using here is not the word which we are using. Draft is nothing but of the pressure difference inside the chimney, the pressure difference inside the chimney as well as the outside of the chimney, means the pressure which is maintaining inside the chimney as well as the pressure outside the atmospheric conditions. The pressure difference between inside of the chimney and outside the atmospheric conditions is nothing but of the draft. See here, we are taking here the absolute temperature of air outside the chimney, and T2 is nothing but of absolute temperature of the flue gas inside the chimney, means we are taking inside and outside of the chimney. See, the pressure difference is nothing but of draft inside and outside of the chimney and inside of the chimney. This is what about how we are assuming capital H is equal to and small h is equal to T1 and T2. See here, coming to V1, V1 is nothing but of volume of outside air temperature, and V2 is equal to volume of flue gases inside the chimney at temperature T2. See here, small m is nothing but of mass of air actually used in kg per kg of fuel. Here we are using both. We are taking here the height. We need to calculate the height of chimney. For that, we are taking here the temperatures, and we are using here the volumes outside of the chimney as well as inside of the chimney. And we are assuming here that small m is equal to mass of air actually used in the fuel. And here we are taking here m plus 1 is equal to mass of fuel gases in kg per kg of fuel. See here, for calculating the pressure difference inside and outside of the chimney, we need to calculate here. Here we are using here that pressure. The total pressure is nothing but of the pressure difference between the outside of the chimney as well as the inside of the chimney. That we need to calculate the pressures of P1 as well as P2. Now we are trying for getting the value of P1 and for calculating the value of P2. Now we are trying for this P1 and P2. See here, we can observe here that let V0 is equal to volume of air at 0 degrees Celsius. See here, we are trying for the P1. P1 is nothing but of pressure due to similar column of outside cold air, means the pressure how we are going to calculate the pressure here means pressure is nothing but of density into height into gravity, means we already studied in the fluid mechanics that how we are going to calculate the pressure. Here we are going to calculate the pressure by using of the density. Here the density into height into g means nothing but of rho into g into h. We already knows the formula for calculating the pressure value, that now we need to find the density, we need to find the height, and we already knows the actual value of g. That the actual value of gravitational force value we knows that 9.81. For calculating the pressure P1, we needs density, height and gravity. We already knows the gravity, that we have substituted the value as 9.81, and now we are trying for the density value. See here, from the above, see that let V naught is equal to volume of air at 0 degree Celsius and absolute temperature T naught is nothing but of 273 degrees Kelvin. We already know these are the basic formulas which we have studied in the previous classes. And the atmospheric pressure, we already know that 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. See, now we are going to calculate the volume of air. For calculating the volume of air, we know that from gaseous equations, we already know that PV is equal to MRT. But by using of these PV is equal to MRT, we are going to calculate the V naught value, that volume of air. V naught is nothing but of MRT by P naught. Means we are going to substitute here. M is, we already knows that M is equal to 287, and T naught value, we already knows that the absolute temperature is T naught is nothing but of 273. Hence we have substituted here the T naught value. And P naught means nothing but of atmospheric pressure. We already know P naught is nothing but 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5. Hence we have substituted here in the P naught value, and we have got the V naught value as 0.773 meter cube per kg of fuel. This is the standard value that for gas constant R is equal to 287 joule per kg Kelvin. See here, we all, as I have calculated the volume of air at 0 degrees Celsius, now I am going to calculate the volume of air outside of the chimney air. That we are taking here the pressure differences inside as well as outside of the chimney, and the temperatures inside as well as outside of the chimney, and the volumes of inside and outside of the chimney. See here, now we have calculated the volume at the inlet, means inside we have calculated the volume here, that the volume is equal to 0.773. And now we are going to calculate the volume of the air at outside, that V1 is equal to V naught plus T1 by T naught. Means for calculating the volume of outside air, we have an equation that we know the equation that V naught by T naught is equal to V1 by T1. Hence, by using of this equation, we are going to calculate the V1 is nothing but of V naught into T1 by T naught. V naught into T1 by T naught. This is into. This is the multiplication symbol. See here, we know V naught, we already knows the value of V naught, that 0.773 here. M into T1 by T naught, we knows the T naught value. The T naught is equal to 273 Kelvin. Hence we have used here 273 Kelvin. Hence we have got V1 is equal to M into T1 by 353 meter cube per kg of air. Now we need to calculate the density. See here, we are going to calculate the density here. See the density of outside air. We are going to calculate the density of outside air. Density means we already knows that density is nothing but of mass by volume. Here density, we are representing density is equal to mass by volume. We already knows the volume is nothing but of mt1 by 353. Hence we have used here the V naught value, and density, we have got the density value as 353, and m here, the m, this, see here density m, and density, see here, coming to here, density m and m are going to be cancelled. Hence we have got 353 by T1. And pressure due to similar column of outside cold air, that we are calculating for P1, density into height. And we have got here the density value, that from here we have got density is equal to 351 by T1. See here, we have got density is equal to 353 by T1. And height, we don't know the height value, hence we are keeping as same. And z value 9.81. Hence when we are going to multiply 353 into 9.81, we are going to get a value of 3463 into h by T1 Newton per meter. As we are taking here, considering the pressure here, we have got a value as Newton per meter. According to Avogadro's law, the flue gases at NTP, means normal temperature pressure values occupies the same volume as that of air used at NTP. See here, means nothing but of here in the above we have used for calculating the pressure for calculating the draft or for calculating the height of the chimney. We are taking here the pressure difference inside and outside of the chimney. What is the air, what is the pressure which is maintained inside the boiler, inside the chimney, and what is the air which is outside the chimney. Means we are finding the pressure difference inside and outside of the chimney. Means for calculating the pressure difference, now we are trying for P1, and we have calculated the P1 value now, and now we are trying for density to volume to volume 2 and pressure 2. See here, volume of the flue gases at 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 0.773 meter per kg of fuel, and volume of flue gases at T2, V2 is nothing but of MT2 by 353 meter cube per kg of fuel. Hence we have calculated here the V1 value. V1 value here, we have got V1 value here, and similarly we are going to get see here, we have got V1 value is equal to MT1 by 353. In the similar way, we have got V2 is equal to MT2 by 353. Hence, the density also in the same way that density is equal to mass by volume. Mass we are taking here M plus 1 by MT2 by 353, 353 M plus 1 by M. See here, density how we have taken here. In the above, we have calculated the density. That density is nothing but of M, and now for the density of outside air we are taking value M here, mass we are taking the same value, and for here density of flue gases we are taking here M plus 1. Hence I have said you that M plus 1 here, M plus 1 is equal to nothing but of mass we are taking here inside outside the air, and M plus 1 we are taking inside the chimney of the flue gases. See here, so that I have taken here density is equal to M plus 1 by MT2. See here, hence the density 2 is equal to 353 into M plus 1 by MT2. Now I am trying for the pressure P2. P2 is nothing but of, we already knows how to calculate the pressure, rho into G into H. See here, rho into G into H, density pressure means nothing but of rho into G into H. As we have got the density here, rho 2 is equal to 353 M plus 1 by MT2 through 353 M plus 1 by MT2. See here, and we have got, see here we are having the H here, H into G means nothing but of 9.81 by MT2. Here we have substituted, hence after multiplying these 353 into 9.81 we are going to get 346 M plus 1 by M into T2. See that we know that the draft pressure is due to the pressure difference between the hot column of gas in the chimney and a similar column of cold air outside the chimney. Therefore, draft pressure C P is equal to P1 minus P2. Now we are calculating the draft. Draft means nothing but of the pressure difference inside the chimney as well as outside of the chimney. Draft pressure means nothing but of P is equal to P1 and P2. For calculating the P1 and P2, up to now we have calculated the P1 and P2 values. Hence we have got the P1 value here. The P1 value is nothing but of 3463H by T1. Hence I have substituted here 3463H by T1 minus P2 means nothing but of P2 value. What I have got here is 3463 into M plus 1 into H by MT2. See here, 3463 into M plus 1 into H by MT2. See here, hence after solving of this, we have got 3463H we have taken here common, hence we have required equation as 1 by T1 minus M plus 1 by MT2 into Newton per meter square. Hence we are taking the pressure difference equation as 1. In actual practice, the draft pressure is expressed in mm of water as indicated by a manometer. See, the draft pressure is expressed in actual practice. If we are considering the draft, we are going to take this in mm of water as indicated by a manometer. Since we know that 1 Newton per meter square is equal to 0.101937 mm of water. Therefore, we are substituting here 1 Newton per meter as 0.101937. Hence, after multiplying these 1 Newton meter with 3463, hence we have got an equation that 353 H 1 by my T1 minus of m plus 1 by m T2 mm of water, means nothing but of we have converted from Newton per meter square into mm of water. Hence, we are taking this as equation 2. The draft may also be expressed in terms of column of hot gases if H dash is the height in meters of the hot gas column, which would produce the draft pressure P. See here, the draft may also be expressed in terms of column of hot gases. We can consider the draft in terms of column of hot gases. If H dash is the height in meters of the hot gas columns, which would produce the draft pressure P. Means now we are going to calculate the height. Means as we are trying for calculating the height of the column. See here, we are taking here P is equal to pressure, means nothing but of density rho into G into H. Rho means nothing but of the density. G means nothing but of gravity, and H dash the height which we are calculating here. We already know from the previous slides the density value is nothing but of, see, the density means which we are taking here the density 2. See here, the density 2 which we have got here is 353 into m plus 1 by m into T2. See, what I have used here is nothing but of 353 into m plus 1 by m into T2 into H dash into Z means nothing but of 9.81. Hence, after multiplying both 353 into 9.81, we have got an equation 3463 into m plus 1 by m into T2 into H dash. See here, hence we are going to substitute the value in equation above equation. See here, we have got the equation 1. Hence we are substituting here that P value in the above equation, that P is equal to P1 minus P2. That substituting the value in above equation, that we have got the equation as 3463 m plus 1 by m into T2 into H1 is equal to 34H 1 by T1 minus of m plus 1 by m into T2. Means hence we have substituted here in this equation that pressure value. Pressure is nothing but of what we have got here, 3463 m plus 1 by m into T into H1 is equal to, what is the value which we have got here is nothing but of 3463 m plus 1 by m into T2. So here we are substituting here, and hence therefore H dash value is nothing but of H into m by m plus 1 into T2 by T1 minus of 1. The velocity of flue gases through the chimney under a static draft of H dash meters is given by V is equal to root 2GH dash. Hence, the value for V is equal to 4.43 root of H dash. Hence, we are neglecting here the friction. This is what how we have calculated the height of the chimney. Height of the chimney, the value of height of chimney is nothing but of capital H into m by m plus 1 into T2 by T1 minus of m. How we have calculated here the height of the chimney means the by using of the draft formed inside the chimney as well as outside of the chimney. Draft means nothing but of the pressure difference inside of the chimney and outside of the chimney. The draft required in terms of mm of water, means we are taking the draft in terms of mm of water. See here, the pressure here we are taking here the pressure difference inside. In actual, the draft pressure is expressed in mm. See here, we know that the draft pressure is due to the pressure difference between the hot column of gas in the chimney and a similar column of cold air outside the chimney. Means we are taking here the pressure differences inside and outside of the chimney. Hence, for calculating the pressure difference here, we know that P is equal to, means pressure difference of the pressure means nothing but of we are taking the negative value here, P1 minus P2. For getting the pressure difference, we need to calculate P1 as and P2. For calculating this here, P1 is nothing but of density into height into G. Density means we already calculated the density here, and height we already know, and G 9.81, and P2 also is same as that. P2 is nothing but of rho into G into H, as we have calculated both the pressure values, and hence they are substituted here in the pressure differences of the pressure, and hence we have calculated the value of height of the chimney. Hence we have calculated the height of the chimney. This is what about the height of the chimney. How we have got an equation here as h is equal to 353 h into 1 by t1 minus m plus 1 by m t2 in terms of mm of water. This is what about the height of the chimney. This is very important in this chapter, and in the next videos we are going to know the different topics are the derivation of these draft column. Thank you. If you are having any doubts, please contact me or call me. Thank you.